all the difference in our relationship and how the dog behaves within our relationship. The three biggest contributors that have an effect on your relationship with your dog. Number 1, correct management. 2, consistently meeting your dog's needs. 3, being targeted with our communication. So managing the environment around our dog and what access we give the dog to that environment is crucial for our relationship. Correctly managing our dog within the environment that we're in has a huge impact on how the dog behaves. Prevention rather than reaction is a much better approach, especially at the early stages of training a dog. So things like having your dog on a leash in situations you don't have control, or having a long line, having a crate in the house, or utilizing a leash in the house while you're teaching your dog how you expect the dog to behave. That is correct management, which can prevent a lot of relationship problems. Number 2, consistently meeting your dog's needs. So what are your dog's needs? Exercise, stimulation, basic training, looking into the individual breed's needs. These things, knowing what your dog needs on a day-to-day basis, helps prevent your dog from getting pent-up energy, getting frustrated, and doing unwanted behaviors in the environment. 3, being targeted with our communication. So understanding that every time we talk to the dog, we pat the dog, we interact with the dog, it is some form of communication, which is either going to increase or decrease your dog's behavior. Number 3, being targeted with our communication. Understanding that every time you interact with your dog, it is a form of communication, whether it's patting your dog when he's calm or patting your dog when he's hyped up. Both instances, we are communicating something. We are either increasing or decreasing the behavior based off how the dog perceives our communication. So being targeted and understanding how the dog perceives our communication has all the difference in our relationship and how the dog behaves within our relationship.